So this will address all your abdominal region, extra fat, and make your spine healthy. Welcome to this another video, and now we are going to do the twist called Vakrasana. Okay, this is called a spinal twist. So keep both the feet straight. Again, you sit on the blanket only, and you take one foot up like that, and you bring it here. Okay, you bring it here, one foot like that, and just you bring it here. So in the and make sure when you take this foot and you bring it here, put it around the knee area by the side of the knee, and then you keep your spine straight. Absolutely, don't bend your spine like that. Keep chin tuck in, keep it toe inside, and hold it like that. And then what you can do, you take this foot at your hand at the back. So let me come little here. Okay, now this is okay. And then what you do, you keep it here and you take this hand at the back. Okay, so don't do like that. Okay, now initially what you can do, so you can just pull your muscles for some time, and then keep this here, hold it here, and then you can put here and keep on breathing like that. Now understand, you have to keep your spine straight. So for example, if you're not able to put your spine straight, keep something here, like you can put some block or something, and you can like this, you can put a block and keep it like this. It becomes easy. Okay, keep it like that. So you should not try to do like that. No, this is wrong, because this will create a problem on your spine. Keep it like that and keep on breathing. Then if you're able to do that, it's easy. Otherwise you can take this hand up and you can take this hand and you can just hold it like that. You can hold this, or you can hold your knee this way. Muscles pull and you can remove it if you can do. Otherwise, put something here. The spine has to be straight and keep it like that, breathing. Keep on breathing. You can close your eyes. Okay, come back. So this will address all your abdominal region, extra fat, and make your spine healthy. And again, do it from other side. Keep it here. Keep your back straight. Okay, take this hand here, pull your muscles, and first roll it here and look back. Keep on breathing. Take your toes in. And then you can take this hand here and take it here and catch your knee, or you can catch your ankle as per your capacity. Look straight at the back, toes here, and breathing. And slowly come back. And then relax. After that, you have to relax and feel the changes within. Feel just after you come back, just relax for some time. Okay, good.